hindi ka matatakot mawalan ng work at hindi ka matatakot na mawalan ng kukuha sa'yo. Lalo na kapag we're really good on that specific skill. So, starting your career, introduction, program overview and structure. What is project management? Project manager role, my key responsibility and skills. So this is more on the introduction part and transferable skills, leveraging and aligning skills with the PM roles. Career path, didiscuss ko din yan as a bonus for all of you. What are the strategies that you need to do when you will do jobs posting? And also your CV or resume or your portfolio. I will help you as well on that. And you don't need to worry when it comes to project and program and or portfolio management. Hindi siya tulad ng GHL na kailangan may specific na alam ka. All you need to do is either you enroll with same with what I did. Good thing lang sa akin kasi nga nakita kasi yung potential ko from my specific yung business owner na yon. Hinelp niya ako na um, help niya ako na mag-take ng courses. It's not only courses, but it's more on online with Stanford. So, medyo mapagyayabang ko yun. Sorry, sorry. Pero yun, meron ako certification from Stanford for this one. So, to give you a heads up, itong bibigay ko sa inyo, I tried my best to make it um compound, kung paano ba, yung not wordy, kasi naiintindihan ko din naman if someone is presenting and it's very wordy, but it's very hard talaga kasi these are more on the principle and more on technical din, kumbaga. So, going back, you don't need to worry. Kailangan nyo lang is better understanding and experiences. Like what I've mentioned, if you need experience, then sige, magtanggap kayo ng mga posting na per hour. Pero if you're good with that, I'll tell you, bibigyan ka nila ng specific amount. Like you're salaried, like for this one. Right now, yung isa kong salary sa current role ko is, ang discussion pa lang namin doon is 50% of my, yon. Alam kasi ng isa sa inyo dito, pero 50% yon. Once na na-evaluate na after 3 months, then magpo-full na siya. And that is really more than 6 digits in Philippine peso. So, ganon yung gusto kong maging thinking nyo. And this is not about boasting. This is more on, gusto ko magbago yung mindset nyo kung ano makakatulong pa sa inyo sa GHL. Okay. So, next. What is project management? By the way, after my introduction, the first part, and about me, um, any clarification, any questions for now?
I think my question, ma'am, sa chat panel kay Ma'am Annelie Eday.
Okay, sige, sige.
Sasagutin mo na ba, ma'am? Or after na?
Um, Sorry, oh man. Ang dami niyo palang may... Sorry kasi, nandito lang yung isa kong screen.
Ay, basahin ko na lang, ma'am.
Sige, sige, sorry.
Ayan, ito po ay question from Miss Annalie Eday. Question po, Miss Carmela. I just transitioned in this industry and still been a very bobo. Asan ako? And tanga. Uy, in a lot of things in this industry, but I have been a program and project manager doing complex projects, both local and national and international projects for over 15 years, mahaba pala to, in the government and private
Oh.
sector. I am really looking forward to leverage my program and my project management skill in this industry. Thus, your talk is very, very interesting. Thanks for saying yes to Coach JB's invite. Ay, parang hindi naman to tanong.
All right. Thank you for sharing that, Miss Annalie. And thank you, Miss Cha.
Ay, ito pala
So,
ma'am.
yeah,
May
does this mean
follow-up
we
po pala
leverage
siya.
Scrum, Kanban?
Ayan.
Yeah. Not necessarily, because those technical na inexplain mo, the Scrum, what is Scrum, what is a waterfall, it really depends with the client. Ano ba yung goal niya? Meron kasi mga client na hindi technical eh. Like they really want you to give me from point A to point B. 'Di ba? So, but let's say you're a project manager if you're also like doing the engineering side. Kasi project management ay nasa industry ng engineering eh. Bago gumawa ng building, bago mag-design ng RK, merong project management, di ba? So, yun, yung gagamit ka talaga. You can also use the waterfall and the Kanban is a tool as well. Almost everyone naman na alam yung Kanban is more on the progress, di ba? Progression. Pero it depends. You don't need to really need to focus on what are the may tawag dyan what are the specific skill set na kailangan mong gamitin. What you need to do is just to be organized and tap everyone. That's why medyo high role siya kasi you really need to know kung ano yung role ng mga at trabaho ng mga taong hinahandle mo. So that's it. Sorry Miss Cha, hindi ko na-acknowledge yung sinabi mo if I will answer questions na now or later. So, sige, pwede namang later if you like. Sorry. Pero, nisip ko lang kasi baka mahirapan tayo mag-backtrack. Just to let you know, 51 slides to, project management pa lang. Wala pa akong dinidiscuss sa ClickUp. Pero,
Alam niyo, go
bilisan natin,
ma'am.
sorry. And, ano pa ba? Yung link, wala akong link nung sa Stanford kasi nagkaroon ako noon around 1.5 year ko. Wala na ako sa client kong yon. So yung business na yon ay lumipat na ako pero siya ang nagbayad, yung client na yon. So hindi ko alam yung link pero nagkataon lang kasi na parang kumbaga sa atin din, 'di ba? So sa kanila yung university kasi sa kanila parang high school. So sa kanila yung college na part na yon is mother niya yung may connection doon sa Stanford. So nung nagdi-discuss isa yung sa services namin. So parang mga courses na para sa student. And nung inoffer niya, alam mo meron kang potential for the operation side. So syempre go na rin ako, 'di ba? Pero for the amount, sorry, pero tatry kong i-search and then I will relay with the team. Kasi medyo 1.5 year ago na ata yun. At wala na kasi ako sa client na yun. So, that's it. Pag-usapan natin tuloy-tuloy. Sige, Miss Cha, I'm so sorry. Sige, go na lang. Mamaya na lang yung questions and all. So, what is project management? Kung mapapansin nyo kanina, may sinulat ako doon na project, what is that? Project, product, and portfolio. So what are the difference? Kasi pag sinabi mo kasi project management, hindi lang kasi siya project. Meron siyang may levels siya. So you will start as a project manager, and then you will go to portfolio to product, and you will go to portfolio. Sometimes different businesses like Google, what else? Netflix, yung mga Tesla, they use product manager instead of project. Why? Product because marami siyang fino-focus na niche. It's not only marketing side, kundi meron siyang logistic na ima-manage, meron siyang ganitong ima-manage. Kumbaga, iba-ibang sector. Meron siyang enterprising, meron siyang ads, meron siyang social media na ima-manage. So, naging product siya. And at the same time, may product na physical product. Kaya naging product manager. Pero almost the same din sila ng ng project. And then, you will level up to profile manager or portfolio manager because sobrang galing mo na. So, meron ding specific na ano doon. May specific certification din. Here in the Philippines, sad to say, hindi kasi masyadong na-highlight ang role ng project. For example, kung may nanggaling nga sa BPO, although, I'm so sorry, pero 2 to 3 years lang naman yung experience ko as call center. After that, na-focus na ako on finance. So, 10 years. And then after in Korean Air, then 10 years na ng finance. So then here, more on the freelancing. After ng pandemic, then nag-push na ako ng freelancing. So iba-ibang niche na yung napasok ko and different discussions. So sa part ng project, excuse me, sa Philippines, sad to say, pag may makita ka dun, for example, sa business, sa BPO or corporate world na lang ang term natin, makikita mo lang doon is manager and then ito na yung sa mga rank and file na, 'di ba? Ito na yung mga role ng IT natin, HR natin, 'di ba? Yun na yung mga role. Pero yung level up na wala kang maririnig na project manager. Meron siguro mangilan-ngilan sa Riddle Severe, meron kasi nanggaling din ako sa Riddle Severe, pero more on ang tawag is product coordinator, which is ano ba yung product coordinator, 'di ba? yung ginagawa niya, almost project manager. But in the US, just to let you know, this is a high white collar job talaga siya. At kaya ganun din siya ka-in demand pag naghahanap ng freelancer na nasa Pilipinas kasi ang laki ng natitipid nila sa Pinas. And kaya nilang, nagpe-pay talaga sila ng $2,000 above per month sa mga Pilipino. Kasi, ang baba lang nun eh. For example, yung dati kong client, 4 months ago, yung project manager namin doon is from Canada. So medyo mas maliit pa yung conversion compare sa US. Pero ang salary niya is $4,000. Pero hindi pa US dollars yun. So ganun kalaki talaga sa kanila yung $4,000 per ano lang yan, per cut off. Ibig sabihin every quincenas pa lang yun. Hindi pa siya yung talagang full month. So that's it. Kaya nagiging in demand siya sa Philippines kasi ang laki ng tinitipid nila. At nagiging in demand siya sa mga GHL na sabi ko, ay sige, o-offer ko to. Kasi nakikita ko sa mga job posting, they want someone na very experienced for this, etc. Magmamanage ng ganito ko, magmamanage ng ganito. So, use this term that you are a project manager. Just claim it already in yourself na I am a project manager. It doesn't mean na kailangan mo ng certification like what I did. It just so happened lang na meron ako because of that client. Sino ba yung pwede magkaroon? Hindi naman agad-agad lahat magkakaroon, di ba? Magkakaroon kayo niyan pag meron na rin kayong mga experiences. Or mag-try kayong maghanap sa mga online courses. However, you will still pay for that. For now, hanap muna kayo ng mga job posts na talagang magkakaroon kayo ng experience. But do not use fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it is really not that bad, to be honest. Fake it till you make it. If nag-fake ka talaga, lalo na pag kunyari sinabi mo marunong ako sa GHL, pero pag hinire naman kita, tapos andun na tayo, may problema na at may gusto gawin si client, hindi mo nagawa, then yun yung nagiging bad. Pero fake it till you make it will be beneficial for all of us. If you know in yourself na kaya ko talaga naman tong role na to eh. 'Di ba? Then for me to para makapasok ako sa industry na to, then I will fake it, but I'll make sure that I will deliver. So that's it. Pero hindi ko sinabi mag-fake it till you make it na kayo sa lahat ng bagay ha. Pero 'yun lang. What is project management? So, project management is a process of planning, organizing, and overseeing tasks. So, sinabi ko kanina, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung role. Ah, yes. Sorry. Ay, sorry. So, yun. So, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung mga task ng tao na hawakan mo or else you will not be efficient and hindi ka magiging effective na manager. 'Di ba? So, that's it. And you need to set time frame for everyone. That's why you need tools like ClickUp. Bakit ba ako naging power user sa ClickUp? Kasi gamit na gamit ko siya. Gamit na gamit ko siya in a way na matatag ko yung everyone. And not only to organize myself, but it helps my team to be organized with their own task. So currently, ginagawa ko rin siya ngayon dahil dun sa bago kong, I mean sa recent ko na trabaho. So ganun yung magiging role ng project manager. Gagawa ka ng tool na makaka-help for your team. And at the same time, dapat meron ka ding um, leadership thinking ng people handling. And project management will help you not to macromanage. Sino ba dito yung mga nakaranas na ng mga macromanagers? 'Di ba hindi siya okay? Lalo na sa Pilipinas, kung nakaranas kayo ng government or basta mga local, 'di ba? Nakaka-bad trip yung mga macromanagers and they don't know that na merong ibang approach para sa hindi siya magiging managing part, nangyayari kasi meron kasi tayong tendency, ang mga Pinoy, hindi ko man nila lahat, meron kasing entitlement ang mga Pinoy. Pag sinabing manager ako, medyo level up na ako sa'yo, 'di ba? Hindi dapat ganun ang mindset mo as a leader. Like, if I am already ahead, like right now, I'm head of operations with my team, I'll make sure, and someone can attest that here, kasi hawak ko sila. And even during mga ini-interview ko, I will make sure that you will not be intimidated with me because I am head. I want you to feel na we are level, we are colleague. But for you to feel that way, you really need to gain my trust in you, that you know the process. Or else, magte-training tayo ulit. Hindi kita tatanggalin, pero magte-training tayo ulit kasi nire-respeto ko rin naman ito yung source of income mo. But again, you really need to help. Kaya yung macro-manage, naranasan ko yan. If usapang managers din naman, na, nako, marami na akong chapter dyan. So, what is project? A temporary endeavor with clear start and end and objective. So, like what I've mentioned, there are clients na gusto nila is from point A to point B because hindi sila technical na tao. So, sample with your clients, if you already have clients with GHL at inutusan kayo na maging admin, and what they wanted is for you to create a workflow, or they want you to create a funnel, like a simple funnel na makaka-help for their business. So, meron agad silang thinking na create ka ng funnel, ilo-launch natin dan tapos. Yun lang ang thinking ng mga boss, ng mga clients. Pero the project managers need to himay-himay, kumbaga. Need nila ihimay-himay lahat ng mga mangyayari dyan. And anything na magiging negative or magiging kalalabasan na problema. However, if you are overwhelmed with different what do you call, with different noises within your role, for example, hindi ka nakaka-focus sa integration, meron ka pang fino-focus na people handling, merong issue si ganito, sahod ni ganito na delay, yung boss mo medyo coops, di medyo talaga mahihirapan ka. Kaya ang pagiging project manager, kailangan matibay ka. Kailangan when it comes to sa mentality mo, magaling ka. Kaya you need to understand deeply yung leadership skills mo. Kaya ko ba maging leader? And again, I believe in all of you kasi nag-enroll kayo kay JV on the GHL side. Meaning, you're already on that part na kumbaga umangat ka na sa ladder na hindi na ako mag-VA ng ito lang. Gusto ko na meron na akong alam. So you're already a leader. So what I want to impose with yourselves that moving forward after the role that I am applying or after the role where I am in, I want you to think that moving forward, next is magiging head of operations na ako. Next is mag-create na ako ng sarili kong business and I will be the boss. So that's it. 'Di ba? Clap naman dyan. Kala mo networking no? Pero anyway,
Power.
power! Pero, pero anyway, yun lang. Sorry, baka rin may mga na-offend ako na sa networking side, ano lang naman yon. Hindi ko naranasan mag-networking kaya wala akong karapatang magsalita. Pero yon. Why project management? It helps the business save time and money. And this is truly, truly 100% correct. Kasi if someone will do them, like for example sa atin lang, magkakreate tayo ng milk tea shop, 'di ba? Nai-instock sa ano ko natatakpan yung mata ko. So, for example, gusto niyo gumawa ng business, kikreate tayo ng milk tea shop. Yung pag-iisip pa lang ng saan ako bibili ng supply, sa anong supplier ko, anong ganito ko, saan ako magtatayo ng business, ano ba yung market ko, para ba ako sa may school, or maglalagay ako sa sa talahiban na walang tao, yung mga ganon, 'di ba? Doon pa lang, medyo nakakaubos na siya, nakaka-drain na siya. Kaya kaya foreign people na, yun mga, especially sa US, they hired, the role project manager is very crucial for them because the role is really crucial with their business and with their business success. It's not only with their business, starting up their business, but their business success. So you really need to be, to be handa sa role na yon or else quit talaga, mafe-fail mo si client, di ba? And real-world example, implementing telehealth like in school requires careful planning, budgeting, etc. And project lifecycle, understanding different project phases, methodologies, etc. So anyway, um, sample, sa buhay natin, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga project managers, just to let you know, na hindi natin napapansin. Sino ang unang-unang naisip niyong project manager? Sino? Correct, DJ. Nanay natin. Nanay, tatay, 'di ba? Sila or si lola o kung sino man nagpalaki sa atin, 'di ba? Kasi sila talaga nagdidikta sa buhay natin nung maliliit pa tayo 'di ba? Sila talaga yung, ano ba yan, anak, 'di ba? Maghugas ka ng plato, hindi mo pa ginagawa yung plato. Ay, hindi mo pa hinugasan yung plato, 'di ba? Hindi mo pa tinitikla pang ganyan, ganyan. Sila na yung aligaga, 'di ba? Kung sino yung mga nagsimulang magpalaki sa atin. And after that, second na naging project managers natin na hindi natin napansin are wild guess aside from your
Teachers.
parent or your family?
Our
Sino?
teachers.
Correct. Perfect. Ang galing. Galing na audience natin today, ah. So, teachers. teachers, kasi doon pa lang sa pagkakreate ng lesson plan, pagsasabi pa lang nila sa'yo, pag-check pa lang ng mga scores nyo, at panghuhula-hula pa ng grades natin. So, yun na agad eh. Matinding project management na yun sa kanila. So, that's it. Next. What does project, tatry ko na lang daanan siya. So what does project manager do? Kasi na-discuss ko naman na siya. It ensures project completed on time within budget. Someone is calling me. That's it. So some completed on time within the budget, of course, kasi yun yung isa sa role ng project manager. You need to collaborate well with your owner. That's why project managers are sometimes napopromote sila to head of operations or COO, kasi nga lagi silang in connection with their bosses. And just to let you know, that's a good thing. Hindi ko naman iniisa lang si JHL alone ha. Pero for example, dahil hindi na akong papakalayo-layo, for example, si JHL, binigyan kayo ng task. Pag binigyan kayo ng task, gusto ko kasi ng workflow, then that's it. Pag natapos nyo na yun, that's it. Unlike with a project manager, your networking is very broad, kasi nakita ng client paano ka nag-work from start to finish. And when you finish a job or you finish a specific project or product, hindi siya natatapos sa ganun kasi may mga post schedules pa kayo na gagawin. And ang next mo pang role is mag-handle ng mga tao. Although not all the project managers are doing handling people, mag-handle ka lang naman pag na-level up ka na. Pero again, hindi ka natatapos, hindi ka nauubusan ng project. Especially with if you're in marketing business. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung market eh. Kailangan nila, like, metadata, gagalaw yung ganito, di ba? Sa GHL, kailangan ng marketing email campaign, etc. Community managers like siya, tuloy-tuloy yan. They are project managers. Hindi nyo lang natatag yung sarili nyo na project manager kayo kasi hindi siya fully aware sa mga couple ng, hindi ko sinabing lahat, pero sa most of the Filipinos, but you're already a project manager. So add that on your CV if you know that you're doing that specific job, 'di ba? Kasi ano siya eh, sa atin pagdating ng pag-check ng resume mo or ng portfolio mo, pwede siyang isipin na ano to. Pero sa foreigner, big deal sa kanila yun. Oh, project manager siya, product manager siya. Oh, then i-discuss nila sa'yo kung ano yung ginawa mo. And doon ka na papasok sa business side. Hindi ka papasok lang sa technical side. So, again, tingnan nyo yung leverage ng part na yon. Like the general VA, right? Yung admin stuff na ginagawa nila. Or kung ano man yung sa general VA na ginagawa. Next, nag-technical VA ka na, which is umalam ka ng skill na hindi alam ng iba. Example, big example, si GHL. Next, anong next kay technical VA? Business side, leadership side. So, next goal nyo dapat is nandun na ako sa leadership side. Not because wag kayo magkaroon ng Filipino thinking na business nyo lang yan eh. Bakit ko tutulungan? Unless business ko to. Wag ganon, mga dear. Kasi, again, yung client, yun ang source ng pera natin eh. 'Di ba? Unless mayaman ka, then go ahead. Wag mo isipin si client. 'Di ba? Pero kapag nandun ka na, nakapasok ka na sa circle niya, sa board meeting niya, at na-experience mo na yung, ikaw na yung diretsong tinatanungan niya sa next strategy, iba yung fulfillment nun sa'yo kasi you know that you are effective not as a project manager only, but as a person. So that's it. So going back, planning and organizing, defining project goals, gathering requirements, and creating plans. And then managing tasks. Just let me know if you want this slideshow. I will give it for you. I will give it to you for free. No worry, guys. Um, Budgeting and cost control. This one, but again, hindi to hindi ko to kinuha somewhere, akin to. So wag niyo namang ibenta, baka naman shinare ko tapos ano niyo ako, in-scam niyo ako, nakita ko na lang to sa Rocket PH. Nakita ko na sa Rocket PH, pinalitan niyo lang ng pangalan niyo, di ba? So wag na wag ganun, topper, correct. So budgeting and cost control, managing finance. In this part, medyo pwede tayong mag-deep down sa budgeting on that part kasi again, isang dekada ako experienced here. And if you have finance experiences, again, if someone from this room have finance experience, project management is different as well sa gagawin natin sa finance. And that's a different topic. Medyo deep naman na din siya. Hindi naman sobrang deep. Pero iba kasi si finance. Because for my finance experience as well is more in the APAR reconciliation and bookkeeping. So we can have a separate discussion about that as well if you like. Um, what else? Managing tasks, so same. Tracking, more on ensuring team alignment. Why paulit-ulit dito na may team alignment? Bakit sinasabi yung team? Akala ko ba project manager lang ako? Hindi naman sinabing maging ano ako eh. Then if gano'n ang thinking mo, wag kang mag-apply a project manager. Kasi kung ang gusto mo lang is someone na ikaw lang yung utusan, then your mentality is also for rank and file. Same with with poverty thinking. Hindi ko sinabi na pag rank and file poverty na agad ah. This is more on comparison ng mentality. So if gano'n ang thinking mo na ayaw mo maghawak ng tao, kasi hindi ako magaling sa people handling eh. Hindi ako ganito eh. Ako din naman, nung una ko na-reexnaan to, ayoko mag-people handling. Bakit? Kasi may 2 years old akong daughter, may 7 years old ako na son. It's so hard na mag-cater with them if I am a mom. And may mga, wala akong katulong. Parang kami lang, 'di ba? So, if ganun, pero pag nandiyan na kasi, maniwala kayo, lalo na pag dinasal nyo kay Lord, na please, Lord, help me. I'm so tired. I'm so oppressed with my feeling right now when it comes to work. Lord will answer right away, especially if your prayers are coming from your heart. So that's it. So again, think of it na meron ka ng team. Kahit ngayon wala ka pang team, just think of it. What you're thinking will manifesting will come to you right away. Communication and coordination, which is very important to. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa mga VA na handle ko na if you are working, kasi ako kasi meron akong nahahawakang VAs ngayon. So sabi ko sa kanila, technically sa platform na hinahawakan nila, dapat meron lang silang 4 hours in a day. Pero sabi ko, as long as you're done with your task, let's say 4 hours ka paid, sige, i-review ko yung hours mo. 4 hours ka paid since hourly paid sila. But you're done with your job within 2 hours, and nakita ko naman na okay din naman yung job na ginawa mo kasi they are sending EODs, then I will let them go sleep. Kailangan nyo ng tulog, di ba? Sige, go ahead, sleep. Hindi naman ako, again, bumalik tayo sa macro managers, pero yun, that's why I really need you to communicate well to me. Kasi paano ko kayo i-cover if I don't know na nag-out ka na pala. So, ganun lang yung mga sample. And that is one of the major role ng project manager. You really need to know your team's time, your boss time, everyone's time. But at the same time, as a project manager, you really need to know how to defend those people. Na, for example, I have a teammate here na hindi siya pwede ng Friday and Saturday because of religion. So my boss asked me, so sa tingin mo ba, helpful siya sa job na to? Kasi this is more integration. And that person is here. So ngayon mo niya wala naririnig to. So ngayon na natin naririnig to kasi kapag may mga job post ako, binaprioritize ko talaga yung sa GHL Champ. Alam ni Coach JV yan. So sabi ko, since sinabi ng client namin, sa tingin ba, ano siya, kasi hindi naman siya maasahan pag dato Friday and Saturday. And simple lang sinuot ko. 'Di ba nako-contact ko naman siya ng Sunday? 'Di ba? Sabi ko, hindi nako-contact ko naman siya ng Sunday and Monday, 'di ba? Then it's not a problem with me. As long as nagre-respond naman siya. In fact, nagsabi siya sa akin na hindi siya magiging available those days, pero nagre-respond pa rin siya. So, instead of you thinking kung ano yung pangit sa kanya, think of it kung ano yung maganda sa kanya. For example, sa buhay din natin, pag may problema ka sa asawa mo or sa jowa mo, instead of mapwisit ka sa kakaisip ng ang tamad niya, ganito siya. Tignan mo na lang kung ano yung maganda sa kanya. Kahit deep inside, 'di ba? Deep inside nabubwisit ka. Lalo na tayo as a woman, for guys, ang appreciation kasi ng guys, hindi, wag na muna yung isang topic na yun kasi may mga bata. Pero ang appreciation kasi ng mga guys, aside from that is service. So, think of it, sinabi ni Lord yon. Sinabi sa Bible na mga babae, mga asawa, ano kayo sa asawa niyo, sumunod kayo sa asawa niyo. Follow your husband, 'di ba? So kahit na alam mo sa sarili mo na ayoko na siyang lutuan, nabubwisit ako sa kanya, ayoko siyang lutuan, pero that is my service of faith, not with your husband, but the service of faith for God. Kasi yun yung sinabi niya sa Bible. And you will see, magkakaroon siya ng changes. Yung asawa mo, magkakaroon siya ng changes. At the same time, magpa-flourish yung relationship nyo kasi nag-follow ka sa word ni God. So again, I'm so sorry if some people here might be offended. Pero hindi ako pastor, di rin akong may pastor dito. Hello po. Pero I'm just saying this. When it comes sa business and sa life and faith. So, I hope you understand that. Siguro kung ngayon hindi niyo pa masyado maintindihan, pero pag nandun na kasi kayo sa part na na nagkakaroon kayo ng poor communication, nabubwisit kayo sa mga bagay-bagay, sa trabaho, sa asawa niyo or sa girlfriend, boyfriend niyo, sa magulang niyo, just think of the positive things na natulong nila sa atin. And work by faith. Work by faith. Think of it. Kung meron kayong pen paper or write, work by faith. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng gagawin nyo na kahit gaano kahirap yan, ginagawa nyo yun because of your faith, because of ng paniniwala nyo. Again, hindi kayo bibigyan ng, ang mga taong mas malalaki yung binibigay na cross or mga hirap na binibigay ni Lord kasi alam niya na kayo yung mga strong warriors nyo. So, what are the biggest na mga challenge if may health problem yung family nyo, if may health problem yung magulang nyo, 'di ba? Especially if there are cancer patients, isipin nyo na lang yung cross na binibit-bit nila, 'di ba? But the Lord is giving that those challenges because alam niya na kaya nyo. So sorry na, nawala na naman tayo. Please stop me kapag palayo yung discussion. Sorry. So, going back, you might already have project management skills without realizing it. So, sinabi ko yung katulad kanina sa mga moms natin and sa ating mga teachers. So, everyday experiences like planning surprise party, working in retail, or moving to a new home involve project management. So, planning and organizing, task management, budgeting. So, yun din naman to. These skills are valuable, etc. Highlight them. So, be sure to highlight them in your job interview. Isa sa nagiging problema during interview, kasi may mga na-interview na rin ako and nakikita ko sa kanila is they don't know how to execute their point. Anong meaning ng execute their point? If tinanong sila, what is your strength and weakness? Di ba normally, madalas yung tatanong, what is your strength? Ang nangyayari, nararatel ka, ang dami mo na sinasabi. Pero if you already have the point in your mind, just stick with that. And use sandwich approach. If you know sandwich approach, that is positive, negative, and positive. If someone is asked you ng very trick question, like for example, binigyan ko ng situation na sinabi sa inyo na, oh, for example, why should I hire you as my GHL expert? What if there are problems na nag-arise, etc., etc. Ang tendency ng utak nating mga Pinoy, dahil English yun, hinihimay natin yung mga wordings niya. And medyo tina-transfer pa natin sa Tagalog, 'di ba? At paano natin i-explain on their end. Lalo na kapag hindi ka naman sanay nakikipag-usap sa mga Americans. So, what you need to do is, kapag tinanong ka na agad niya, ano yung gagawin mo kapag may problema sa GHL, magkaroon ka na agad ng positive reaction. Ito na lang sasagot ko kasi ito yung nakita ko. I'll make sure that I'll plan and organize. That's your point, and that is just make sure that you are using power words or positive words when you are pinpointing your point. So, what is your point? Plan and organize, di ba? Then, mag-add ka na lang ng flowery words. So, again, hindi siya mahalaga na kailangan pahabain in couple of paragraph sentences. As long as you already have the point, lusot ka na nun. And maganda na yun. Parang bang sa beauty contest, kapag may nagtanong sa inyo, di ba, may nagsasagot pa na, I believe in whatsoever. Pero yung mismong laman ng sinasagot ng babae, sabaw. Di ba? So, ang dapat nyong gawin is start with your point, think ahead agad. Pagkatanong niya, kasi may impress mo kapag di ka agad nag-filler. Like, di ba? Nakaka-impress din kasi talaga yon. So, ang strategy doon, para hindi ka parang, yun nga, parang ka nababakal na, oh wait, is magkaroon ka na agad ng point, mabilis kung ano yung tinanong niya. And then, ipasok mo as your negative, yung mga negative words na ginawa niya. So, balik mo lang sa kanya. Either kung magaling ka mag-paraphrase agad, use the paraphrase words. Like sinabi niya, if nagkaroon ng issue with the GHL, sabi niya gano'n, di ba? Pag nagkaroon ng downtime sa GHL, pag gano'n yung mga negative words na sinabi niya, gamitin mo yun as your negative. Kumbaga, balik mo lang sa kanya. Instead of downtime, gamitin mo yung word na system. While the GHL is having system update, diba? Pinaraphrase mo na, tapos bumalik ka na agad. Your last part is going back to your to your point but in positive note. So ito na yung last part ng bun. Kaya nga sandwich kasi dalawang bun and your meat yung negative. So yung last part mo is going back to your point. Ang mangyayari doon is, and that is the reason why we have so much, and that is why planning and organizing is very crucial when it comes to those errors when GHLs are right. So naging concise siya. Nagigets nyo ba yung point ko? Naging concise agad yung answer mo in a very short and concise way. Nasagot mo na yung unang part. Pinasukan mo lang ng negative, pero yung negative na hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng negative na words na ano nga ba mga sample ko, ano ba yung mga experience ko, unless ang tinanong sa'yo is based on your experience. Then go ahead, tell your experience in a negative, sa negative na part. But if it's just complete question, then use their own question. Ibalik mo yung tanong ng interviewer. Just paraphrase it and then go back to your point in a positive note. Like, just make it your boom last words. Then, magugulat kayo doon, parang, oh, galing nga. Galing sa interview. Pero hindi yun. Inetchos mo lang kasi siya. Kasi meron ka na agad framework sa utak mo paano ka sasagot. O, di ba? Nasa interview skills na tayo. So, yeah. Pero, practice that. Maniwala kayo. Ang laki ng impact mo pagdating sa interview. So, question, bago ako mag-move forward. Ang cute ko? Bakit ako cute? Hindi ko kasi nakikita sarili ko. Sabi niya kung mga nakagtanga. Um, let's see. Po. Thank you. So, favor, please look me in your network. Miss Karen. I might not finish your talk as I have vendor meeting scheduled with my butter. Sure. Thank you, Annalie. So these skills are valuable in project management roles. This part, remember these are parang pinaka-core ng project manager. Planning, task management, budgeting, and cost control. But this part, sometimes hindi na yun nare-require ng mga kuripot na foreigner. Meron din naman ako na-experience ng mga foreigner na kuripot na hindi ka nila sinasama sa budgeting kasi ayaw nila makita paano silang mangkuripot ng mga Pinoy. And then problem solving, of course, problem solving and adaptability. Adaptability is for you to know the tools that you wanted to explore na makaka-help sa management side. Next, from learning to career success. So this is for you guys. Why I input learning to career, meaning you are learning right now with the principles of what I've learned and what I've learned from textbook, from online, and from my own expertise as a project manager. So I want you to think right now na this is also my goal-to. Goal-to ko din maging project manager. Aside from my GHL, of course, magpapaka-expert ako sa GHL. Gusto ko maging GHL expert, admin, ganun, di ba? Pero I want to be on that role where if I will be asked, kasi ganun tayo mga Pinoy medyo ano sa atin, big deal sa atin ng ang entitlements hindi ko sinabing negative siya, ganun din naman ang mga ibang country. Pero just think of it, na darating ang time, pag may sarili na akong business, I go ahead and explain myself as the CEO. Or at the same time, if you have client, I'll explain myself as I am the COO, right? It's a very fulfilling on our end, meaning nandun ka na sa skills ngayon. So project management is a high demand field with millions of job openings worldwide. This part, I just checked it. Bakit ako naglalagay ng statistic? Kasi napaka-important nun when you are presenting this kind of roles. Because you need to know if ano ba to, in demand ba talaga to tulad ni JHL? Yes, in demand siya. That's why I presented this topic is for you to have deeper understanding what is project management and ano yung mga offer niya sa mga bulsa nyo. So by 2027, you can search this as well if you like. Employers will need 87 million project management professionals across industries like construction, IT, healthcare, finance, and energy. I forgot to add here marketing, but mamaya ko na lang siya edit. So yeah, so hindi ka lang makaka-focus sa isang specific na department. You have, when it comes sa, unlike na GHL, you are just focused on the IT side, right? On the marketing side. Pero pwede magkaroon naman siguro si healthcare ng GHL. I don't know paano mangyayari yun. Pero mas more on marketing si GHL and in the IT side, di ba? Pero if nandito ka, ito nang next goal mo, aside sa, wag mo tanggan si GHL kasi meron ka na, tulad ng experience ko, na may GHL pa din naman ako. Pero, sorry, may lalaki pala dito. In demand siya, just to let you know. So career path in management. Project manager roles comes in many variations such as construction manager. Ito yung mga tawag sa mga department na to. Construction, project manager, IT, healthcare project manager, operations manager, which is very common, and program coordinator, katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina. Nagkakaroon lang siya ng iba-ibang term, pero project manager pa din naman ang ginagawa nilang trabaho. Even your job title isn't project manager, your skill are transferable across multiple industries. So ito na, importante rin to, ways to gain experience. You can do internship with current project managers or head of operations. Like for me, my hiring manager asked already if she can do internship with me. Sabi ko, walang problema naman kung mag-i-intern ka sa akin kasi nasa isang role lang tayo, nasa isang business lang tayo. And ginagawa ko is, instead of her na nagfo-focus na sa hiring, gusto ko maging project manager siya. So, inuunti-unti ko siya para mag-level up sa role na yon. Pinoy din to ha. And then contract work on projects different. For example, binigyan lang kayo karaniwan sa mga like podcast, 'di ba? Meron silang hina-hire na mag-aasikaso sa setup, sino yung kukunin na speaker, sino yung kukunin na ganito, saan tayo So kailangan nila ng project manager. So you can gain experience as a contract worker there. And entry level roles start as a project assistant, coordinator, or operations associate. If you will try, I tried these titles in Indeed Jobs, onlinejobs.ph. And it is very, ang daming role na nandito sa entry level role. So if you want to explore, go ahead, explore this role. And then, again, i-tailor fit nyo yung resume nyo. Kasi kung ako sa inyo, gawin nyo na yon as soon as possible kasi onti pala yung nag-o-offer ng project manager. Unlike ng ibang mga niche, di ba? So, try to un-niche first and then focus on your project management. If something, pero don't naman apply kung if you think na hindi ka din fit, 'di ba? Wag naman ganon. Kasi mamaya tamad ka naman pala in your own ways. Na wala talaga. Um, pwede mo uminom lang ako. Pwede tayo mag-break. Kasi tuloy-tuloy ako magsalita kanina pa.
Sure, ma'am. Ilang minutes?
Thank you. Ito na, tuloy-tuloy na. 8:55 na pala. Sorry talaga sa iba. So, madaliin na natin siya. Project management offers diverse career opportunities across industries from entry level, yun nga yung mention ko, to senior leadership position. So, as you gain experience, you can advance into specialized or executive roles within the field. So, let's go ahead and explore project management roles. So, ito yung mga roles na makikita mo sa mga professional ang term doon? Professional or mga talagang corporate sa US. Why I'm always mentioning US, kasi ito naman talaga yung tinatarget natin market unless may gusto rin kayong applyan na Philippine-based. Like kung gusto niyo mag-apply sa San Miguel, go ahead. Meron niyang mga ganyang role unless meron na rin silang, good thing if meron silang opening. So ito, you will start as junior project works alongside with experience, project admin, provides administrative, project or program assistant, project program coordinator, and then go ahead to a different part, which is project support specialist. At kaya ko siya highlight dito is sometimes dito pumapasok si GHL. Why ko sinabi na pumapasok si GHL doon? Kasi most of the time, support ang hine-help, ang kinikater natin, di ba? However, when it comes sa GHL, isa sa nakita ko ha, kasi may mga hinahawakan din akong GHL expert. Isa sa nakita kong negative side ng sahod is sometimes the client tends to charge GHL experts, especially Filipinos, ng per hour. I really don't like that thinking. Kasi babagalan ng tao. Hindi niya makikita yung value. Hindi makikita ng client yung value na ginagawa ng isang tao. Kasi ang nangyayari, okay, kunyari, for example, pinaka-create kayo ng funnel, ng some specific na funnel. You can really create that within an hour or 2 hours, di ba? Pero dahil alam niyo sa sarili niyo if sample funnel lang don't get me wrong if medyo complicated naman yung funnel. Pero medyo malayo. Rin nagbe-break na agad side kasi ito lang chine-charge mo sa tao 'di ba? I mean hindi sa mga JHL expert, I mean sa client side. Ito chine-charge mo. That's why mas gusto ko talaga na naka-salaried kasi gugustuhin ko ba na yung mga JHL expert ko nag-e-explain pa sa akin sa EOD? Okay mag-EOD, don't get me wrong sa EOD. Pero gugustuhin ko ba bang mag-e-explain sila ng hour by hour? 'Di ba hindi? We don't like that. Na mag-e-explain sila hour by hour and ito kasi naka-web tracker ako or I mean may recording ako whatsoever. Pasok ko yung GHL kasi if you are really giving support na alam mo na lodi na yung support mo, then go ahead and diverse into project management GHL. Kasi I hope na gets nyo ako sa part na yon. Hindi ko nini-negative si GHL ha. Don't get me wrong. Gusto ko lang yung mindset nyo mag-iba kapag nag-a-apply kayo sa mga client natin. At again, pro-Filipino ako na to the point na gusto ko magmukha tayong sobrang expert sa mga foreigner. May ilalaban tayo sa mga Indian. Mas magagaling tayo sa Singaporeans. Ganon talaga dapat. Um, Question, naiintindihan nyo ba yung sa project support? So if nandito na kayo, try to be good at it and then unti-unti na kayong pumasok sa mga projects. Like, sumali na kayo kung meron man nagkaasikaso na sa inyo sa project nyo or yung boss nyo, magpakitang gilas na kayo ng itong specific na project na to, gawin nyo na aside sa GHL. Kasi doon magsisimula yung experience nyo sa project manager. And at the same time, makikita nyo talaga yung difference bukod sa technical skills. So, question, pwede ba mag-break muna tayo, Cha? Very, very quick lang, like 5 minutes.
Sure.
And then you can add your questions here.
Sige. 8:59 na, ma'am. So, babalik tayo ng mga 9:05. 9:04.
Apa, sige. 9:04 guys. Is it okay, team? Kung mag-break lang ako ng 5 minutes.
Yes, coach.
Thank you so much. Kung kailangan nyo na matulog or meron kayong gagawin iba, may trabaho na kayo, go ahead. Feel free to do that. Thank you, thank you. Ay, balik tayo 9:05. Thank you. Ako kasi yung comment ng isa. So nag-ask siya for the salary. I think for the rate, if ako ang take ko dyan as part of helping the client when it comes sa budgeting nila. Agency is based in the Philippines, then yeah, that's the right answer naman, yung $6. Kasi naka-base yun sa Philippines Pero if direct ka sa client, then GHL is not $6 for me, to be honest. Go ahead and ask for more. Start with $9 above. Pero again, if you know na hindi ka pa ganun ka-expert, then don't ask for more, pero start with 9. 'Di ba? If nag-decline siya, if yung direct client ay nag-decline, then leave it. Go ahead, 'di ba? Pray and then go ahead apply for another role. Maniwala ka, may mag-offer sa'yo ng higher. Pero if it's an agency based na Philippines, then $6 talaga. Uh, um, Yun lang. What lang? Okay, sige, balik tayo.
Meron pa si Sir Nerwin, ma'am.
Ay, sir, for clarification lang, kung tama po ba ang understanding ko, having knowledge is equivalent to being project or any project no. ano ba meaning ko doon? Ibig sabihin, tayo kasi may inaalam tayo. For example, si ClickUp. Alamin mo siya kung ano yung ginagawa kay ClickUp, mga updates and whatsoever, or specific, kahit anong tool, kumbaga. So, si GHL, hindi lang naman siya basta-basta tool. So, CRM siya. So, hindi siya ma-relate sa project manager na as equivalent kasi project manager is composed of um, skill, leadership, and your own way to work. Paano ko ba explain yun? Kay GHL kasi kapag meron ka na ginawang project, pag may ginawa kang assignment kay GHL at pinagawa sa'yo natapos, si project management hindi siya natatapos sa ganun. Chain of reaction siya sa mga taong i-handle mo, sa project na gagawin mo. I hope I answer your question on that part. So again, kapag kay GHL, pag may ginawa kang workflow and all, tapos ka na, then tapos ka na. Pero kay project manager, i-manage mo siya hanggang maging successful. Hindi sa matapos ha, maging successful yung project na yon. So, hindi siya equivalent. Ang mangyayari, isa siya sa service mo as a project manager, si GHL expertise. So, ito si project manager, ito yung isa sa service mo. Tulad ko sample sa akin, project manager yung experience ko. Huwag natin, iba na yung head of operation, pero project manager yung role ko. Isa sa alam ko is si GHL. Prior pa ng pag-join kay GHL Champ. And then, meron pa akong idea, meron pa akong consultant pa. Hindi ako consultant for now kasi nag-aantay ako ng approval. Pero may click up pa akong expertise. May make pa akong expertise. And I hope you get my point there. Kasi kaya meron pa akong, may idea pa ako. Hindi ako expert sa metadata pero nag-enroll ako sa mga ganung courses. Kasi nag-handle ako ng mga tao na ganun yung role nila. So, in short, different, pinaka-umbrella siya, pero at the same time, ito yung mga dapat mong alamin. Because you will not be effective manager sa project management side if you really don't know what you are managing. So that's it. I hope I answer your question. Thank you. Wala na, no? So,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
going
Wala
back.
na po.
Thank you po. So, let's go to project management roles. Ah, bumalik para siya. Sorry. Ilan lang naman to. Traditional project management roles. Again, si project manager leads project from initiation to completion, ensuring they meet objectives. Kung may point A to point B, tapos unless meron natin kailangan i-complex yung ideas, doon napapasok yung kanina, yung Scrum details. Scrum managing is hindi siya technically project management. Doon ko lang din siya natutunan doon sa course ko. Kasi si Scrum is more on paano ba? Paano ba siya? More on technical siya na kapag naghahanap ka ng isang project, kailangan meron kayo i-insert. Kumbaga may mga, para bang sa GHL, may mga CSS code tayo na gagamitin kasi wala siya kay GHL. Parang ganun. Ganun yung concept. And then, project, yes, more on IT, correct. And more on technical talaga siya. And then, project analyst supports projects through data analysis and performance tracking. Project leader, director oversees decision making, which is also part of my role kasi more on the decision making na siya. Project controller, ito more on the execution engineering. Ginagamit din to sa finance sector. Like financial controllers, right? Term is financial controller kasi for them to know, for them to control the revenue and the P&L, profit and loss of the business. So they're the financial controller, but their role is also project managers. Technical project medical manage technical projects within the scope and budget. Then PMO monitors complex projects to ensure smooth execution. So every project needs skilled leader to drive success. Your project management career starts now. So think again of the industry where you at right now. If nasa finance ka, if nasa insurance ka, if nasa helping with the business ka, lalo na kapag helping with the business, talaga more on project management roles yan. Nasa coaching ka, nasa community management ka, think of it. Ano yung mga rules na ginagawa mo na matatag mo as project management? Then add that on your CV, add that on your portfolio. 'Di ba? Next, program and portfolio management. So, project versus program and versus portfolio. Project manager oversees, ito yung explain ko in the first part ng discussion. He or she oversees individual projects from start to finish. Program manage multiple related projects within a program. So sabi ko nga kanina, si Google, si Tesla, yun ang term nila kay project manager nila. Program manager ang tawag nila sa mga ganyang role. Kasi ang dami nilang hinahawakan. May iba-iba silang kinikater na department. Pero iisang role lang sila. Hindi ko masabi isang tao, pero yun yung pinaka-main role nila. So, technically, they are program manager. Wag niyong i-think na program is may specific na program lang. Hindi. Medyo mas complex. Iba-iba yung tinatarget nila. Unlike ng project manager, if we're talking about marketing per se, then marketing yung ino-oversee niya sa project. Diba? Portfolio manager oversees a collection of program and project across the entire organization. And just to tell you honestly, naging intern ako ng isang portfolio manager sa Amerika. American rate naman to. So, malaki pa din naman siya. And alam niyo ba kung ang sahod niya? 20,000 grand, 20K USD per month. And he is already a portfolio manager. And siya yung nagturo sa akin ng mga skills when it comes sa management side. And nagkaroon ako ng mas in-depth kasi portfolio na siya eh. So, pero nakita niyo yung offer, 20,000. Anong ka-level niya na sahod? Sino yung mga ka-level niya na 20,000 per month? Doctors, lawyers, 'di ba? Yun kasi yung mga lawyers, mga meron lang kasi silang mga nakukuhang sa nila eh, sa mga on top, 'di ba? Na for example, si health, meron pa silang mga fee, 'di ba? Pero isipin mo, hindi ka nag-aral ng board exam. I mean, sa US naman to. Pero ang laki talaga ng ino-offer ng Amerika. Ganun sila pagdating sa ganyang scale. So again, syempre, since Filipino naman tayo, hindi naman tayo offer ng 20K per month. Pero yes, 20K USD. So that's why I'm telling you guys, focus on this topic and really dig in your heart if sa tingin nyo meron kayong skill na ganito. Career progression path, project to program to portfolio manager. Advancing from project to portfolio management takes strategic thinking, leadership, and experience managing larger scope. So that's it. More on experience na talaga siya. Key responsibilities of program and portfolio managers. The program managers group related projects within the organization, effective communication, support and resources within the team. So again, more on people handling. That's why portfolio and program managers or even project managers, we are already tagged as a leader. Hindi na siya rank and file position. So if you are not in the rank file position, anong next? Sabihin mataas ang offer sa'yo, di ba? So, think of it. Think of it talaga na hindi siya dahil na gusto mo lang magkaroon ng title. Wag ka, kill that on yourself. Hindi yan dahil sa title ang labanan. Think of it na dahil gusto kong mag-level up yung career ko. It doesn't necessarily na graduate ako sa Stanford, graduate ako sa LaSalle, graduate ako whatsoever, UP Diliman. As long as you have that skill and you know how to impose that with your people, then you're effective leader. Diba? Portfolio manager, multiple programs, strategic business objective, prioritize project programs, and overall vision. Next. Both roles require big picture thinking, leadership, and coordination skills to drive. Ito talaga, yung coordination talaga, medyo hard talaga yan. Lalo na kapag medyo may makukulit na mga tao. Talagang mahirap talaga. Kasi ako pa naman yung tipo na pag nag-focus na ako, tapos natap ako, nawawala ako sa focus. Kaya isa yun sa medyo struggle sa role na to. So you really need to know how to set your boundaries as well. So, what else? Key takeaways for your job search. Ito na. Ito na tayo sa mga gagawin nyo sa CV nyo. So, explore various roles. Don't limit yourself. May nag-notify sa akin sa Zoom. Ano yun? So, again, don't, sorry. Ang kulit naman ito. Ayan, sorry na. Game. So, don't limit yourself to project manager title lang na pag nag-search kayo sa Indeed or whatsoever. Hindi. Hanap kayo, di ba? May tendency kasi na matatakot ka na, hala, operation ang hinahanap, project coordinator, scrum master. Hindi ko alam yan eh. Kasi ang talaga tinatarget ko lang ngayon is GHL eh. Eh, ilan na ba naghahanap ng trabaho GHL? Hindi ko this is not the bias comment. Again, naghahanap pa din naman ako nagkaano rin naman ako ng GHL, nag-apply din naman ako, naranasan ko din naman yan. Pero if you will try to palakihin ba yung application nyo, 'di ba? Ang dami talaga sa role na to. And go ahead and apply, 'di ba? But present yourself in a way na hindi ka nagbumukhang fake it till you make it. Just make sure that you know you can do the job. And then, ako din naman, based on my experience, hindi naman ako nag-start na project manager dahil ito na, ready na ako, project manager na ako for how many. Hindi. Nalagay ako sa role na to kasi may nag-tap sa akin na kailangan niya ng ganitong skill ko. 'Di ba? Hindi ako nag-apply. Nag-tap yung direct client for me and dalawang client yun na nag-tap sa akin kasi nagkaroon ako ng ganun personality. Nagkaroon ako ng thinking na I will unleash. Ang dami ko na natututunan, ang dami ko na kinukuhang classes, ang dami ko na natutunan mga ganito whatsoever. Talagas yan. Sorry, nagmura. Talagas yan. Maghanap na nga lang ako ng isa pang role. Eh, ayun, sakto. May nag-offer. And nang nangyari kasi, naging positive yung paghahanap ko ng knowledge, yung pagko-coach ko. Kasi nagkaroon ng connections, ng network. So, ganun din yung gawin nyo para magkaroon kayo ng step. So, hindi ako nag-fake it till you make it. Pero, hindi ako nag-start na magaling na akong project manager. Hindi ako nag-start na project manager na ako. Ganun. Kinuha na lang ako na, ay hindi ako nag-start ng project manager ako dahil may vast experience na ako, hindi ganun. So that's it. Manage job description lists project management as a skill rather than a title, di ba? Sa description na makita mo doon, we need someone who is in coordination, someone who is ganito, ganyan, ganyan, reliable, etc., etc. So, tignan nyo na yung mga ganun title, then go ahead and apply for that. Leverage buzzwords and skills. Use term like coordination pag nag-search kayo, and also you can add this on your description. Make sure din naman kapag kapag nag-create kayo ng resume, if hindi pa kayo nakakagawa ng portfolio nyo, di ba? Kasi mas okay sana kung may portfolio, di ba? Kasi nandun na lahat eh. Pero if you are trying to apply na ito lang kailangan nyo i-provide resume or cover letter, use this word na may ganito kayo. Hindi dahil sa ini-etchos nyo sila, kundi gumamit kayo ng, hindi lang siya sa description, lagyan nyo talaga ng title nyo ganito. Diba? Kasi, makuha nyo na agad yung attention nila. And at the same time, pag nag-create kayo ng resume, make sure you use image. For example, GHL or ClickUp. Ilagay nyo dun yung logo ng GHL. Ilagay nyo dun yung logo ng ClickUp. Ilagay nyo dun yung mga logo ng kung ano pang alam nyo. Even Slack, if naggamit kayo ng mga na Slack, even gumamit kayo ng WhatsApp, use that. Even Google Drive, even Microsoft Offices. Lagay nyo yung logo nila. Kasi, pagka-present nyo doon, visual ang mga karaniwan na gumagawa ng initial na interview, di ba? So pag nakita nila na the more you, like maglagay kayo, assignment nyo, maglagay kayo sa resume nyo ng 20 tools na ginamit nyo. Kahit TikTok yan, nalagay nyo. Kasi ginamit nyo siya as your part of your role. Kung nangyari, SMM kayo or whatsoever, nalagay nyo siya. Pero as a logo, not only the words. Tapos, after the logo, especially if ClickUp, kunyari management, ClickUp or Asana or Trello, idikit nyo yung mga ganitong words. I hope na visualize nyo, 'di ba? Yung ganung part. Maniwala kayo. Mas malaki yung chance na mas makuha yung resume nyo. Kasi visually appealing agad siya eh. Na, uy, ang dami niyang alam na tools. Yun agad yung magiging thinking ng tao. Next, job description may highlight phrases such as coordinate internal resources, solid organizational skills, or ability to lead teams. The power of networking. So again, connect with professionals in the field. So for example, right now, I'm not sure, pero kung may kakilala pa kayo sa project management, go ahead and connect with them. If right now, ang kakilala nyo pa lang is ako, then go ahead, connect with me. Kaya nga yung mention ko, kung mag-add kayo dito sa isa kasi yung personal ko is medyo 5,000 na yung friends noon. So pag nagme-message, hindi ko nare-reply ang nanay ko, nagagalit. So ganon. So doon na lang kayo sa bago kong Facebook. And then, next, if mag-attend kayo sa mga industry event, like for tomorrow, kung nandito lang din naman kayo sa Manila, di ba? Or within the Luzon area, dito siya sa Mawan, then invest. Go ahead, mag-build kayo ng connections. And if you cannot attend physical event, there are virtual events. So for example, like me, I will create, I hope I can, but I will create coaching sessions soon. You can go ahead and attend there if you like. Kasi magkakaroon kayo ng group of connections of ang mga client ko ay ang kino-coach ko talaga kasi is more on the foreign side. Hindi ko pa nagawa ang local. So hindi isip ko pa yun kung gagawin ko kasi nag-help ako ng isang startup business. Pero yeah, yung mga ganun ba? Kumbaga, kung hindi nyo kaya ang physical event, then go ahead. Start kayo sa mga virtual. Not only with me, but also sa iba pa. So, what else? Um, next is, wait nga po, i-off ko lang. Okay. Sorry, tumiting kasi nagpa-pop yung ano, ewan ko sa'yo, Cha, kung may lumalabas na ganun, may nagno-notify sa Zoom ko na yung screen sharing. Teka nga, baka naman sa ano ko, sa video ko.
Wala
Wait
naman
lang.
sa akin. Ano yun? Anong
Opo.
nagpo-pop?
Nagpo-pop sa akin na ano, na hindi daw ako visible. Pero sabi ko, visible naman ako.
Visible
Bakit
ka po.
ganun? Kaya nga eh, bakit ganun? Ang weird. But anyway, um, next, many opportunities come from referrals and networking. So, for example, sa akin, lahat ng mga karamihan ng mga pinag-apply ko here is more, ay, sorry na off ko pa naman. On ko nga. Ano nangyayari sa akin? So, karamihan ng mga nag-ano ko, ng mga napasok ko sa work, sa client ko yun, direct client yun, it's from here, from GHL Champ. Kasi gusto ko mag-help ng kapwa ko Pilipino. And the connection is here. Bakit pa ako maghanap ng iba, di ba? And kailangan ko ng mga appointment setters. So, nagsabi ako sa hiring managers ko na, okay, look for appointment setters. And what they're doing is sending message lang 20 to 25 messages per platform. If it's Facebook, Instagram, nagsisend sila ng message ng ganun lang, 20 message lang, as in talagang Facebook message lang, ha, and they already paid $5 on that. Ganun lang kading work, hindi siya sobrang lala. So kung gusto niyo mag-apply, just let me know. I will inform the team. Hindi ako ano doon, hindi ako partnered whatsoever, pero yun. So kasi nandito sa connection, andun yung referral, di ba? If you need someone din ng direct client, I have couple of friends na mga foreign din. So that's it. I think I need to rejoin kasi nag-ano siya sa akin, very quick lang siya. Lumalabas siya sa side ko. Tapos hindi ako makapag-on ngayon. Tingnan mo, hindi na ako nakakapag-on ng virtual. Wait lang po. Thank you. Hmm.
Ayan, 9:26 na. Nasa project management pa lang tayo.
I'm back. Hmm. Ayun na. Go. So here, my opportunities, referral, recognized, transferable, valuable in project management, relevant skills. So tapos na tayo dyan. Keep an open mind, of course. So, paulit-ulit, maging open mind kayo when it comes to project manager. Remove nyo na yung ganong thinking ng same sa ating mga Pinoy na iba yung thinking nila sa project manager. Hindi ko naman sinabing lahat, pero hindi nila naiintindihan pala, I mean. Read job description, and then final tip, build a strong resume that reflects your coordination, leadership. Ito talaga yung pinaka-kailangan nyong gawin. Review nyo yung resume nyo kapag nag-apply kayo, not just focusing on just ipuput nyo lang doon project manager tapos na hindi. Ilagyan nyo ng highlight to tapos tabihan nyo ng mga logo ng mga project manager management tool and even GHL because GHL is also a project management tool, just to let you know kasi you manage that, you did some admin stuff, right, with GHL. Next. Why use buzzwords? It helps recruiters, hiring managers recognize, ensures your resume LinkedIn, increase in chance of passing applicant tracking system. So, just to let you know, si LinkedIn, I'm not sure if familiar yung iba here, but si LinkedIn ay may tinatawag na ATS. Si Indeed ay may tinatawag na ATS. So, ang nangyayari, meaning ng ATS, ano siya, um, pag nag-apply ka kasi kay Indeed as an employer, ang gagawin ni Indeed or ni LinkedIn is hahanap siya ng mga fit na applicant for your role, for the role na hinahanap mo. At anong ginagamit niya? Mga buzzword or keywords. So, kung yung resume mo na in-upload mo kulang talaga sa description, hindi lalabas sa algorithm agad yung resume mo sa mga hiring managers. So that's why you really need to make sure that your words are good on your resume or on your portfolio. Common soft skills, ito yung mga soft skills na kailangan: communication, conflict resolution, ito talaga gamit na gamit yan. Of course, leadership, strong and interpersonal, managing client expectation, ito is more on relationship mo na sa boss mo, and managing relationship with your stakeholders and the investors. Next, project execution and strategy, project coordination, planning, executing plans, prioritizing, multitasking, of course. Project management is multitasking, just to let you know, guys. And if magre-reason out kayo na may ADHD ako kasi magulo kasi ako, yung focus ko nawawala eh, 'di ba? You can reason out that's valid. However, at the end of the day, nagma-manage ka pa din ng kahit ng sarili mong buhay, 'di ba? Mina-manage mo yung simpleng pagtimpla mo ng kape, pag-aalaga mo sa anak mo, pagising mo sa araw-araw. So, on this part, what you need to do is not only manage your time, manage your energy, 'di ba? Manage your mindset, manage your sleep, and then rest and strategic planning. Common project management buzzword skills include technical and analytical. Like, i-add nyo yan. Kung more in the finance, lagay nyo financial analysis. Kung more on may QA experience kayo, or kung sa BPO at nag-quality kayo, lagay nyo yung quality control, process dev, and improvement. Ito, pwede nyo ilagay sa GHL to. I mean, kung yung mga nag-a-apply for GHL, nagpo-process dev kayo. Kasi totoo naman, nagpo-process dev kayo sa GHL side, lalo na kapag nag-workflows and all na kayo, di ba? So, lagay niyo yung term na process developer, ganon. Impact assessment, pwede niyo rin ito ilagay kasi of course, sa technical na part, sa GHL, lahat is may impact. Pag nagkamali yung specific tool na ginawa mo, workflow na nagawa mo, magkakaroon ng problema. So, part siya. Lagay niyo rin siya. Monitoring, evaluation, and solution development. Next, key takeaways for your job search. So again, buzzwords on your job searches, include them in your resume or portfolios. Don't be discouraged by posts. So again, pag nakita nyo na may nakalagay na kailangan may experience or nakalagay operations, etc., huwag kayong maano doon na, ay, hindi ako pwede sa role na to. Ba? Paano ka magkaka-experience sa role na gusto mo? Kung gusto mo tong role na to, kung hindi mo rin naman siya papasukin, 'di ba? So your transferable skills qualify you for these roles. Optimize your LinkedIn profile by adding the skills to increase your visibility for recruiters. So, summary and takeaways from this part. So again, sinabi kong part kasi 'di ba may iba pa tayong discussion. So project management basics, so knowledge, skills, applying knowledge, skills, techniques. And project, of course, PMO is every industry. So yun talaga yung difference niya kay GHL. Hindi lang siya nakaka-focus sa specific na departments, but every industry hawak niya. And what's you make na versatile and in demand sa role. And project is a unique temporary endeavor with specific goal, time frame, budget, scope, and resources. Career job, ito rin yun. Budgeting, for growing, tons of opportunity, buzzwords to boost your resume and application. Reflection. So think about your future role. So if right now GHL ang tinatopic ang pinapasok nyo, think of it na ano ba sa GHL ang gusto ko? Gusto ko ba maging GHL admin? Gusto ko bang or gusto kong maging GHL owner or gusto kong magkaroon ng sub-agency? Think of that. And then, ano yung mas nakaka-excite na part doon? Then jump on that, 'di ba? So if gusto mo na bang maging GHL admin like tulad ni Coach JV, yun yung tinutukoy ko na GHL admin, sorry guys. GHL admin, sabihin yung mismo sa GHL, yung may ano nila certification. If yun ang gusto mo, then jump on that part. Pero paano ka magja-jump kung hindi mo inaaral yung mga topic kay GHL ng discussion, yung mga ginawa ni coach, yung mga effort ng gumawa ng mga courses, 'di ba? And what you need to do as well, aside from that, don't wag kayo mag-isip na okay, magfo-focus lang ako ng one course at a time. That's okay. Sorry pala sa term. Focus on one course at a time, pero don't limit yourself. Again, unleash everything for you to be a better leader and for you to have yung pag-organize ng mindset nyo is maging complex na kahit anong iba to sa inyo, madalian kayo, is try to unleash everything. 'Di ba? Ewan ko kung narinig niyo na siya, pero try to unleash. Meaning, huwag ka magfo-focus lang sa isang skill. Karamihan ng mga coach na maririnig niyo sasabihin, mag-focus ka sa isang skill, 'di ba? Or mag-focus ka sa 1 to 2 skills. If you think na yan yung mas ano sa'yo, akma sa'yo, then go, focus on one skill. Pero if you try yourself na mag-unleash ka, magpaka-experience ka na wala akong alam at all, at lahat ng mga courses pinasukan mo, lahat ng coach na nagsabi ng free ng ganito pinasukan mo, you will learn a lot. You already have, how can you offer if your cup is not full, 'di ba? Para bang pag yung kailangan ng mama mo or ng kapatid mo, paano ka magpapautang kung yung pera mo kulang din, 'di ba? Ganun din. So trust yourself, take your time and enjoy the journey, and your dream project manager job is closer than ever by using the topics that we discuss. I don't know, Miss Cha, since we only have 30 minutes left, but I mentioned here ready to dig deeper because the next part of the topics are more in the deeper side. And just to let you know, ang gusto ko sanang ibigay sa inyo, meron kasi akong i-share na workflow ng make.com using the ClickUp. And I think na hindi siya kakayanin ng 10 minutes and all kasi magpapasok tayo ng mga codes, magpapasok tayo ng ito, tuturuan ko kayo, mag-create kayo, assignment nyo na lang in our next discussion. My next, nag-present pa. My next. Kasi, sorry, hindi, ayokong magmagaling kay coach. Sorry. Kasi, next ay ang tuturo ko naman sa inyo, nag-focus ako sa principles for now and introducing what is PM or project management. The next goal here is for you to have um, additional pera. So, ano yung point ko sa additional pera? Meaning, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng isang way na pwede nyo i-upload sa Fiverr account at mag-gain kayo ng amount. Ibig sabihin, mababayaran kayo for the projects. So, correct, automation sa ClickUp, but we will use make.com with ClickUp as well. However,
Opo.
that will take a couple of time. Sorry, guys. And,
Hindi na kaya.
yan, hindi yan kakayanin. Pero tapusin
Start
natin
na
to.
lang. Ay, sige.
Sige. Pero kung magpa-part tayo, I will inform JV first. Kasi wala si Sir JV dito. Kung
At saka
nandito siya at
busy ka
nag-oo
din,
siya.
ma'am.
Oo talaga. Sorry talaga. Kanina yung 45 minutes, nahihiya na ako. Nag-send ako kay Cha ng screenshot na nasa call ako. Baka kala nyo charot-charot lang.
Wala pong
Tapos,
break-break
going
yan.
back, wala pong break-break, totoo. Kanina po ako daldal din ng daldal. Yung kaninang yung kanina discussion ko is lahat kami ay coaches, 'di ba? Cha, nakita mo doon. Lahat kami doon coach. So that is a mastermind class. Ang mga kasama ko hindi Pinoy, mga foreign. So ang mga kapwa ko coach kasi is not here in the Philippines. So meron ako yung sa sa isang team ko, pinupush nila ako, ma, mag-start ka na sa Pilipinas. Kasi Cha din kung mag-start na rin daw ako. Depende kasi talaga. Gusto ko muna mag-focus sa client na gusto kong tulungan. Pero I hope that's the next. No. Pero ewan ko kasi medyo hindi ako sure kung mag-a-attend whatsoever unlike sa Amerika eh. Pero going back here na lang. Career and job search insight. That's free, by the way. So project management skills are transferable. You already have some budgeting a birthday party to managing, etc. Project management jobs are growing and tons of opportunity are waiting for you. Again, try to search Indeed, LinkedIn. You will see that there's a lot of project management roles. At makita mo din naman yun sa GHL, yung mga nagre-request. So, next. Takeaway, sorry. PM basics, knowledge, skills, tools, and then, okay, puwet-puwet lang yan. career job, transferable, you already have some. Balik ba ako? Pabalik ba ako? Hindi na pabalik yung ano ko. Becoming, okay, nag-overlap siya dun sa isa, but tumalon siya dito. But anyway, next na. Ito na yung medyo kind of deep. Not so deep. Deep lang. You're moving forward in your journey to becoming a successful project manager. Let's take a moment to review what we've covered so far. Introduction. So I hope medyo may idea na kayo sa introduction. Comment in the chat box kung one, gets new introduction and project components, key terminology. What is project manager? What is product manager? What's the difference of portfolio manager? What is Scrum? Diba? What are buzzwords? What is ATS, which is ATS used in LinkedIn, diba? And in other online jobs na tool. And then various project management career roles and responsibilities. So that is the whole um, thing that we've covered from the past hour. Next, becoming an effective project manager. Now, bakit ganun siya ulit? Yan, next na. The value. Usapan na tayong pera. So a project manager guides a project from start to finish. Once they plan and organize, manage budgets and costs. So a PM's ability to prioritize, delegate, and communicate effectively will give them a specific amount. So sample is yung example ko nga. Imagine the client reach out to me. Gusto niyo ba yung ganong experience? Yung client yung mag-reach out ng service nyo? 'Di ba? And how you can do that? By connections, of course, by client na kilala kayo, by friends, and also if you have digital product, if you have like Fiverr na nag-offer kayo ng specific na service nyo, per service na kayo, hindi na kayo per as an employee of them. Meaning, yun nga yung gusto ko sanang i-share sa mga, like, ka-create tayo ng service and from start to finish ng specific, like, sample lang siya ha, hindi siya complex, na tuturo ko lang sa inyo paggamit sa Make. And then, pwede nyo na siya i-publish sa Fiverr account nyo. If you already have Fiverr account, create one para kapag meron tayong next topic. Sila yung mga nandito, sila lang yung mga ano ko, para sa part na yun. Kukunin ko attendance na
Sige,
nandito.
mag-link ka tayo.
Joke lang. Kasi that will, for example, you did the yung project na yun, and i-charge nyo siya sa client. Ano kasi siya eh? Ano ba ang term doon? Proposal, sorry yun. Tuturuan ko kayo mag-create ng proposal at ito yung kailangan ng client and then next na gagawin nila is magkikreate tayo ng isang automation na magfa-fire up na paulit-ulit na siya and babayaran kayo ng specific. You can charge $100 for that. Easy money. Passive income. $200 for that. And that's it. So, and then, ang pwede nyo lang gawin doon is, paano pa siya magkakaroon pa ng additional income? Then next, i-offer nyo yung maintenance. Kasi sometimes automation will, di ba? Sometimes nakakabaliw siya. Bigla na lang, wala to, hindi gumana, di ba? So, syempre, nakakahiya din naman yun na i-offer mo siya ng sira pala siya, di ba? Naggumagana lang siya sa first, di ba? So, next mo i-offer doon, mag-level up ka. Offer ka ng $25 for maintenance for each month na yun. Pero, each month na yun, di ba? Hindi naman every time may technical na problema. Pag may lagi may problema, sabihin niya mismo ginawa mong flow, may problema. Then, wag ka nang magbenta. May problema kung yung may problema yung flow mo, wag mo muna ibenta. So, here, next, prioritization. So, this is very important when it comes to project management. It helps you um, lay out everything. You need to make sure there are a lot of things how you can prioritize things. So go ahead and explore you Google, YouTube, or whatsoever, how you prioritize things. It depends. Kasi pwede ako magturo ng bagay how to prioritize, pero hindi siya effective for you. That's why prioritization is like generic. Kasi for us, we have different. May taong visual, may taong nakakapag-prioritize ng by pen and paper, di ba? May taong nakakapag-prioritize by following someone, 'di ba? May tao na nakakapag-prioritize kapag may nagpupukpok na sa kanila. So, kanya-kanyang approach siya. Next, delegation. So, this is important because you need the right people. So, for me, para mag-work yung ginagawa kong project sa startup business ng client ko, kailangan ko ng tao na tama for that specific role. Kaya nung inask ko yung sa integration na ito nga yung hinay natin, sabi ko, ang pinaka talagang concern ko sa kanya, I don't need, and he can attest to that because he is here. So, I don't need someone na sobrang galing sa make.com, sa Zap, sa GHL. I like you because I find na talagang reliable ka. Nagre-respond ka sa akin agad. And you're down to earth. Meaning, hindi ko sinabing down to earth na mamaya, maya, ma'am ng ma'am. Ako naman ng ganun. Ang point ko sa down to earth is, alam niya marunong siya, pero hindi siya nagmamagaling. Nagigets niyo? Yung ganun. So, ganun din yung dapat sa as a project manager na role na hahanapin nyo. Dapat alam mo, pero dapat hindi ka naman to the point na nagmamagaling ka. 'Di ba? So, you need to have the right people, kumbaga, in a team para ma-finish nyo yung task. Kasi ang isang task, hindi naman siya project manager role lang. Marami, 'di ba? So, that's it. Matching skills to task ensures efficiency and quality, of course. Next, effective communication. So, same yan ang example ko kanina. Kailangan may maayos na communication. Not only, hindi lang din to para sa work, but also with your life and with your spirit as well. If you have effective communication with God, it doesn't mean na araw-araw, every Sunday ka nagsisimba, hindi ka na, although nasa Ten Commandments siya, di ba? Na Sabbath day, we need to give that in every week. But it doesn't mean na masama kang tao, di ba? You have an effective communication if you know that you are praying with your heart kay Lord in your prayers, di ba? And you call Him not only when you need Him the most, but also, Ma'am, naka-Zoom po yung screen. Ano nangyayari sa Zoom ko? Bakit ganun? Pero ako, okay naman yung tsura ko dito. Hindi naman din ako naka-Zoom. Mamaya ilong ko lang pala yung nakikita. Bakit ganun? Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, hindi ko alam talaga nangyayari sa Zoom. Sorry po. Sa inyo ba, Cha?
Okay po sa end ko
Okay
po.
rin po sa akin.
Okay naman,
Try,
Coach. Effective
okay.
communication yung nakikita namin.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So going back, malapit na tayo matapos. So with the proper communication, etc. Next, how project managers impact organization. Hindi dahil sa gusto niyo lang mag-apply, dahil gusto ko ng leverage ng trabaho, dahil gusto ko na doon ako sa leadership, dapat hindi lang din yung ganyan yung thinking nyo. Dapat iisipin nyo rin kung ano mako-contribute nyo sa client nyo or kahit sa agency nyo whatsoever. Or kahit pa sa inyo, sa business nyo. Hindi lang to dapat lang dahil mag-a-apply kayo ha. If you're thinking with your own project, diba? Kunyari, yan, JHL, magta-try kayo mag-offer by service, hindi kayo mag per hour. Then you need to create your own project management talaga. So how you can contribute on that? Next, you play critical role in delivering value, of course, ensure project meet customer expectation. Because again, you're not only dealing with your client, you're also dealing with their client. Kung ano yung kinikater ng business, kung ano yung services na ino-offer niya. And also effective with the team because of the communication again. Responsibility with each other and breaking down barriers. Next. Focusing budget timeline, of course. Normally, sa project, pag binigyan ka kasi ng project manager na role, normally sasabihin na sa'yo agad nung boss mo na ito kasi yung role na ito. For example, yung hinire ko sa integration, project yun eh. Hindi siya masasabing hiring process lang, project yun. Kasi may mga naka-line up ako na kailangan niyang gawin. At the same time, hiring process is another project management, di ba? So, sa sinabi na agad sa akin ng client, ito yung target amount na ibabayad natin sa kanya. So, yung mga ganyan, part ng role mo. So, you need to be right now, P&L ledgers, isa rin sa role ko. Pero hindi na sobrang deep down for that kasi meron naman, hindi naman ibig sabihin PM ka kailangan lahat ng role kunin mo. Hindi na, bida-bida naman ang tawag doon. Hindi na siya effective. Two types, internal, stakeholders, and management. And external is your client or your suppliers. Client, hindi client na boss mo ha. Client is yung kinikater ng boss mo. Key actions. Understand customer needs and expectation, build strong relationship, and ensure customer satisfaction with the final deliverable. Asking the right question. What problem result? How does a problem impact your sale? Urgent, what is expected? And of course, why? Building great team. Team is the most, this is true, guys. Even here in the community, Chan knows that, JV knows that. For us to have an efficient and very successful GHL champ is for us to have a great community, 'di ba? Sa team. Hindi kasi siya course-based siya, pero for us to learn more, lalo na si GHL is constant ang mga updates. For us to learn more, ang nangyayari is you need someone, 'di ba? Naka-follow nga tayo sa mismong high level official, 'di ba? Because we need to have someone, even JV, 'di ba? Because you need to rely with your team, with your outside sources. So that's it. Next. Project managers must. So if you are thinking now to apply as a project manager, you must identify the right people and right skills. Also identify yourself, ha. Di lang sila. And then next is enable. Are you an enabler? Diba? If you are enabler, then you are a leader. What does it mean? 'Di ba? Sa atin kasi ang mga Pinoy madalas ginagamit ng enable bukod sa business side, ginagamit nila is yung yan enabler ka kasi. For example, kaya ganyan yung anak, kaya ganyan si kuya kasi ikaw lagi mo na lang ganyan, 'di ba? Yun na madalas nating term sa enabler eh. Pero enabler when it comes sa professional part, is really really powerful because you know how to drive your team. You are enabling their capacity. It's so hard to explain if you're not yet there. But I hope most of you are there already. Pero if you know how to enable your team or you know how to enable your loved ones, 'di ba? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam ng harmonious relationship, even with your husband. If you know how to enable your husband or your wife, 'di ba? Ano yung mga something na magpapa-motivate at magpapabuhay ng puso nila, 'di ba? So try to think of that. What does enabling means to you personally? Then of course show appreciation. And this one is very important naman, hindi lang in the GHL community but in all aspects of life, especially sa career. Um, Fostering relationship, strong relationship, daily check in with the team, of course, address team concern and understand their role. If you will, and of course, bigger picture. Bigger picture is different with the high level overview. Baga yung end-to-end process, different siya. Ibig sabihin, bigger picture, ibig sabihin, alam mo na kung ano yung nagsimula yung business hanggang sa mag-fail yung business. We don't want to target yung business mag-fail. Pero kunyari mag-create ka ng business, think of it na na ito yung ilalabas kong pera, pero what if mag-fail siya? So ano yung dapat kong makita doon? So yun yung mga bigger picture. Okay. So dapat pala kung meron akong $500 ay 500,000 pesos pang start na kapital. Pinas to hindi na to wala na to kinalaman sa GHL and all. Pero kung may 500,000 pesos ako pang sa start ko ng business, dapat ang gamitin mo lang doon 100,000. Alam mo bakit? Para pag nag-fail yung 100,000 mo, may 400,000 ka pa. Meaning, meron kang 4 times na mag-try to fail. And you don't want to go ng fourth time, di ba? Kasi ganun talaga si business eh. Business is really a risk, di ba? Na may matatalo at matatalo. Pero kapag inisahan mo na siya, yung 500,000 mo, then ginawa mo na siya, wala na. Di ba? Mararamdaman mo na is defeat on yourself. Mag-iisip ka na kung paano mo babawiin. Di ba? Pero kung ginamit mo lang sa 100,000, okay lang yan. Meron pa akong 400,000 na pantatalit, charot. Pero dapat hanggang 3 ka lang. So that's it. Um, Next. Managing project. Ensures tasks are completed. Of course, this is very important. Kailangan natin makomplete or else yung boss mo, ano ba, nasaan na, di ba? And that is a no-no. Hindi lang to sa PM, kundi kahit sa GHL. Kung may pinagawa sa inyo sa GHL at hindi pa niya yung ginagawa, it's a no-no talaga. Or hindi niya pa nagagawa kasi may iba kayong nagawa, that's fine, explain it. Responsibilities include accountability, tracking, adopting the best workflow, and the management, and collaborating. Adopting best workflows meaning not only with the tools, but also ano yung mas mapapadaling proseso. Like for example, hiring process. Ano ba yung mas mapapadaling proseso dito para hindi na kung ano-ano yung mga dapat ganito. Yan siya. Next. breaking down barriers, encourage innovation in new ways of working, support team members, advocate, ensure smooth communication. If you will see, I don't know if the topic bores you or whatnot. Um, the difference here is we are already digging the leadership side of yourself. So, again, gusto ko, breaking down barriers, gusto ko matanggal yung barriers sa inyo na GHL lang ang aking expertise tapos na. Or ganito lang ang expertise ko tapos na. Or meron na akong tatlong expertise tapos na. Hindi. Dapat ang next yun na maging target, I am a leader because I can create my own empire. I can create my own project and finish my own project. And in that so I can hire someone that will do that for me because I am the owner. At the same time, if hindi ka pa naman owner, ganun pa rin ang think mo. Dapat I am a leader at least because I know that someone will need my service. And to tell you honestly, it will happen. It will happen. Someone will reach out to you because you are already thinking of that mindset na I am a leader. I can do this. I can do that. And everything will, it's very, ano talaga, kakaiba talaga siya, yung ganong experience. Kasi ikaw na mismo yung hindi ano eh. Para bang ito, pag sa pera, kapag yung sa pera eh, pag sinabi mo wala akong pera eh, nagkakatotoo yan. Kayo magsasabi wala kayong pera. Sabihin niyo sa sarili niyo, ang dami kong pera. Kahit wala ka ng pera, ang dami kong pera. Kasi pag sinabi mo wala kang pera, magkakatotoo talaga, di. Kaya sabihin niyo lang, marami kayong pera. So next. Cross-functional teams consist of members via T-shape. Yes, tama. Marami akong pera. Pautang na. Jonah Marie. Marami ka. So T-shaped professionals have deep expertise in one area but can collaborate across function. So T-shaped professional, yun yung cross-functional. Ganun, yun yung term sa PMO, yung T-shaped professional. And even sa hiring, yung talagang normal na hiring process na nag-note kami na T-shaped tong tao. Tapos sabihin, ang dami niya niche na alam. And talagang expert siya. So, pag ganun ka, ano ba nangyayari? Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung bayad sa'yo, di ba? And then key strategies set clear goals, ensure the right mix of skills, and measure, recognize, appreciate effort. I think patapos na tayo. Help keep teams motivated and aligned. Measure through milestone, completion rate, adherence, regular check-in. Next, recognize. Okay, same din yon. Na-discuss na natin. Okay, ito na, as a whole na. So, wrap up na to. Project managers add value by prioritizing, building and supporting strong teams. Yung kaya pinag-usapan natin, facilitating communication and relationship, managing project scope, schedule, and risk, and breaking down barriers for innovation. So if you will think of it, project manager is really not something na kailangan nyo like law, 'di ba, or health, 'di ba? It is something na napapractice nyo na siya in a daily basis, lalo na if you're a mom or you're a parent na managing couple of things with your kids, or if you're single but you're managing something for your parent, or if you're single, you have something na your craft or your businesses, you're already doing the management. If you think that you're up with the game, then go ahead and apply for this kind of role. Just make sure na yung mga nasabi ko kanina na sandwich approach kapag may nagtanong sa inyo. Kasi, again, kapag ito naman ang in-apply nyo, galingan nyo din sa interview kasi malalaman din naman nila kung hindi ka ganun, kung hindi ka competent for the role. Um, so yeah, clarity goals, get team member skills, measure progress, and recognize effort. This is just the visual funny na discuss. So core skills, enabling decision, and flexibility strong. Next. Influencing without authority, of course. Communication, influence, etc. Leverage skills, identify strength, etc. And this is it. Last is know yourself. So I think this is already a wrap up. Oh, pumasok ako dyan ng 2 hours. So again, lessons learned. I hope you receive couple of things, not only in PM perspective, but also in life. Spiritual, hindi naman ako nag-go-offer ng more on insights lang naman ng spiritual. Um, if you will give me, bakit pabalik? Sorry. Ayun, sorry. Lead by example. So this is my last part ng slide. Lead by example. And my upcoming event, di ba nilagay ko habang kanina, nilagay ko na lang upcoming kasi alam ko hindi
Alright.
papasok eh. So let's start discussing ClickUp. So, it's more thorough na lang siguro on the ClickUp side. And Make. Gagawa tayo ng ganito sa Make. Like, from the start, using the ClickUp, i-integrate natin and gagawa tayo ng live project on how you can create that. Create your Fiverr account already so I can share you how you will earn money from that part. And that's it. Thank you so much. By the way, sorry, if you will give me a couple of your minutes, um, I just want to share you some story. Uh, this is more on not spiritual, hindi tayo magde-devotion here or what. Hindi, again, di ako pastor, hindi naman yung target ng call natin. But I just want to share you as a leader, I want to share something ng mag-i-impact sa inyo. Kung mag-i-impact sa inyo. Pero sa isang football, ay hindi na, hingin muna ako ng permission sa inyo. Type 1 if gusto nyong marinig. Type 2 if not. So mag-i-stop na ako. Promise di ako ma-offend. Kasi nare-respect ko din naman ang oras nyo dahil 10 na pala. Ayan. O, 'di ba? Pag storya talaga tsaka mga chismis talagang alert eh. Pero kaya hindi naman to chismis. So, ang nangyari is um, sa isang football field, merong isang batang bulag. And then, yung extent pa more how you guys if you know my heart right now, gusto ko siyang i-extend. However, meron ako next, hindi pa ako natutulog since 1 a.m. kanina and may next akong trabaho ng 2. So gigising na ako yung 2 na yon call yon. So magpre-prepare na ulit ako kasi client and coaching ulit. So mag-makeup na ulit ako ng by 1 or 1:30. And then tuloy-tuloy na yung call na yon. Magbabiyahe pa ako papuntang MOA. Tapos hanggang gabi pa. Tapos magligalig pa tayo, 'di ba? Di ko alam kung saan magbubook si Coach JV. So good luck na lang. Kaya nga, girl pa nga, naging kwento, no? Kaka-work, naging kwento. Oo. Anyway, please let me know if you want me to create something like a coaching skill for everyone. Kasi hindi ko naman pwede all the time itatap ko din naman sila, Coach JV. Meron nag-invite sa akin na school, pero nagsabi kasi ako na I will hold off for now kasi ang gusto kong mag-invite sa akin is yung PUP because I want to start with my alma mater before going to UST. So, that's it.